How are you all? Dave Rossinger here from KPM Motorsport, and once again, welcome you to our fuel room. Today I want to introduce our latest fuel module development, just been finalised, field tested and finished. We now have our 700 horsepower WRX Forester STI and Liberty fuel module. Now this suits the 2008 models onwards, all the way up to current 2020 petrol injection. So 700 horsepower WRX module. We just want to go through a few things about this module that may interest you in the higher performance type categories. One of the big factors is that it is a direct replacement module. So there is no surge tanks involved. There are no hanger kits involved. It's a direct remove it from your fuel tank and fit the StreetFighter 700 horsepower module direct into your system. Now it's designed to work exactly as the standard module would with your external fuel pressure regulator. You can upgrade that external fuel pressure regulator to whatever you prefer, adjustable or a high flow regulator. And we would also recommend an external fuel filter with it. So direct fit, use the external regulator, add a fuel filter, and away you go. Will support horsepower 700 at the engine, rear wheel kilowatt. If we're talking kilowatt, that would equate to hopefully 450 rear wheel kilowatt on a WRX. It's about 520, 530 flywheel kilowatts. So quite impressive for a direct replacement system. Again, eliminates all the need for surge tanks and any other items that we've been using up to now and in the past. What I do want to do is just show you how it operates and how it will work on your Rex and Liberty STI, right down to an empty fuel tank. Now the way we've tested this system is we've actually fitted it to a performance vehicle, put it on track. We've taken all the fuel out of the tank and we've added 5 to 10 litres back in, virtually just covering the bottom of the module. And we've gone around the track, 8, 9, 10 temps, just to make sure we don't get any surge issues whatsoever. And it's absolutely come up fantastic. And we're going to try to demonstrate that for you in the fuel bath here and just give you a bit of a visual of what you are getting. So what we have here is our StreetFighter 700 horsepower module set up in a mock-up tank. So imagine this is your fuel tank. If you had that much fuel in your tank, you'd probably have about 2 litres at the most, 1.5 litres, even a litre in there. So that's about 1 litre to 2 litres of fuel, replicating a near empty tank in your car. So what we're going to do, we're just running this module at the moment. I don't know if you can see it, but the module is running at 400 kPa. Most of the Subaru range will run at 400 kPa at your idle to low when they're not on boost type levels, and we're arranging that in that area, not on boost. So you can see the module overflowing. Just want to show you the cascade. You might be able to see that from the back, meaning the module is completely full while the fuel tank is empty. So that shows a full module that is supplying cool dense fuel. You're not going to surge, and obviously you're at low speed and you're at idle, so that's not a concern anyway. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fire it up and just fire up the injectors for you. So let's make sure that while you're at low speed, you've got enough injection there to run your vehicle at normal cruise, normal speeds. And you can see that we've still got a full module on an empty tank. So what we've got here is these KPM 1500 injectors set up in the fuel rail. That is replicating your 700 horsepower at the engine. 700 horsepower is around 525, 530 kilowatt at the engine on petrol. So they're supplying that much fuel. Have a look at the fuel module. fuel module is coping fantastic. It's a full module and it's just got that level of cascade about it. We're at 400 kPa. You should be asking a question here. What if we're running 30 pound boost? 30 pound boost is referencing on the fuel rail. Therefore, your fuel pump will be supplying less fuel at a higher pressure. Okay, so what if we're running up to 30 pound of boost? Well, 30 pound of boost is about 200 kPa. So we need to add 200 kPa of reference pressure to your fuel system. So let's wind this up to 600. That would be an extra 200 kPa or 29 to 30 pound of boost. Okay, now you can see that system running as you would down a quarter-mile strip, 700 horsepower, injectors flat out, 30 pound of boost. Have a look at your fuel module. Absolutely full. Take a corner, take your first corner on your local truck. Your fuel tank's near empty. Your module's absolutely full, meaning no surge. Flat out from the injectors, supplying all that fuel at 30 pound of boost. Module is full, down the drag strip, no problem. Around your circuit, no problem. Near empty tank, why would you? But in the case that you did, full module, no surge. Now, what I want to show you is how far down we can run this module without losing fuel pressure. We're merely running this fuel tank out at the moment. Let's just watch how far down we can run the module until we get surge in fuel pressure. Okay, so we're getting pretty low in here now. You can see we're, well, if you're lucky if that's half a litre of fuel in there. Fuel pressure's still holding. Fuel module's still full. Don't forget, you're still going around that truck without any surge. There we go. Fluctuation on the pressure gauge, something's going on now. No, we're still good. There we go. There we go. Module's starting to aerate. Pressure's still holding, but nobody doesn't want to run out and surge. Now, I'll tip it, but yeah, there may be half a litre in there. Why would you run your vehicle down to that level? This is only a demonstration. It's just to show you this is an anti-surge module, no need for surge tanks. You can run it down to an empty tank and you can go around the racetrack, drag strip, wherever you like, and offer that much power. Now, just to finish off, that is 700 horsepower petrol. If you're running ethanol, it equates to about your 550 horsepower on ethanol, roughly around your 350 rear wheel kilowatt on ethanol, 450 flywheel kilowatt on ethanol. So just be aware, we're rating this at 700 horsepower petrol, but able to supply ample power for your Rexy, your Liberty, your Forester, your STI. The other thing is too, it is 100% ethanol compatible. We use a BR540 Bosch fuel module. These modules, or fuel pump I should say, these pumps have been tested for over 10,000 hour continuous running on corrosive fuel. Now, corrosive fuel meaning all corrosive fuels, including ethanol. So it's a 10,000 hour pump in there. All the components are ethanol compatible 100%. So it uses for petrol or ethanol vehicles. So if you're looking for this module for your WRX, Forester, STI, Liberty, you'll be able to find it online on kpmfuelsystems.com.au. It'll be on there, you can purchase online or look up one of our dealers for this system. So once again, thanks for your time. See you next time.